Hey, Phil Ebner here with videoschoolonline.com, and today I'm doing a direct comparison of the Comica WM100 Plus lavalier microphone set compared to their WM200A set. Now, the WM100 set is a bit cheaper, coming in around $200, just under, and the 200 series is under $400 at this time. I'll include links below for you to check out all the details for these on Amazon. But in general, these are less expensive options for filmmakers, YouTubers, anyone creating videos. Now, I have full unboxing and reviews of these microphone sets on my channel as well, and I'll include links to those in the description too. But this video, I just wanted to share some audio from those videos, but just back and forth going between the two lav sets so you can get a sense of if there is a difference or not. I've already listened to these. To be completely honest, the audio quality is very, very similar. I do think the quality is a bit better for the 200. To me, it sounds a little bit more muffled in the 100 series, or just the frequency range isn't picking up as many frequencies, and therefore the quality doesn't sound as good. Now I'm listening to the full quality files on my computer. Hopefully you can get that sense from listening to this video in just a second or in a minute. But overall, the main differences too for me are the build quality. The 200 series is a harder plastic, more metal parts, compared to the 100, which feels like a cheaper, lighter plastic. Not that that's necessarily a bad thing. It is lighter, and that is good in one sense, but it does feel like something that if you drop it, it could break and it won't last as long. So for twice the price, you get a microphone set that is going to be durable, last long, and with slightly better quality audio. And with both of these sets, you get two microphone transmitters that go into one receiver. This is something that you don't often get with lavalier sets, especially with the ones that are the quote-unquote professional ones, such as the Sennheiser G3 set, which is another set that I have, and you can hear that audio as well in the full reviews. So anyways, let's get straight to the audio, and I'm just going to go cut back and forth between some of the clips that I had recorded before, and you can see for yourself whether you hear a difference or not. Make sure you check out the reviews so you can hear a little bit more about them and see them as I unbox them. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Cheers. Now you are listening to the Comica 200A, WM200A set. This is under $400. And now you are listening to the Comica WM100 Plus wireless kit. Comica 200A, WM200A set, Comica WM100 Plus wireless kit. WM200A set, WM100 Plus wireless kit. So I'm going to keep talking with the Comica on so you can get a little bit more time listening to what this sounds like, which for the price of under $400 might be a great alternative for someone who's just getting started out, looking to get a professional set of wireless lavs compared to dropping $600 on the Sennheiser set. All right, Phil back here behind the computer, but I just wanted to clarify that these the recordings that you just listened to, they have not been processed. There's no effects or compression or anything like that added to those. The levels are pretty much basically the same. So hopefully that is a good unbiased sort of comparison between these two microphone sets. Of course, there are the other differences, not just in the audio quality that I mentioned before with the quality of the build, but check them out. Click on the links below to go to Amazon, and as always, those are affiliate links. So if you go through them at no extra cost to you, you help me create more content like this, provide more reviews, more great training videos as this channel. Thanks so much, and have a beautiful day.